And finally, ISO and PPC ratings and the 5-mile standard. ISO and PPC ratings affect our insurance premium. Rates are directly affected by whether a property is within 5 road miles of a fire station, as we have heard. Currently, over 50% of Reno residents lie outside the radius from that station. According to the Texas Department of Insurance, this would likely cause a split rating of 3-10. If ESD1 becomes Reno's fire provider, when can you guarantee the construction of a new station that brings all Reno residents within the crucial 5-mile radius? By what date? Do you currently have the apparatus to serve a station?
So our approach right now, based on that information, is that the current fire station in Reno wouldn't be available to use. So there would have to be a short and long-term plan of that. Short-term plan being find a location that you can quickly erect a steel building and put in some temporary workforce housing. Long-term solution, hey, where's the best spot for a fire station? And build something like the picture that we showed you of one of the 2 stations that we built this year. We have the equipment in place, that being, we have 5 reserve engines. 3 of those are ready reserves, which means they're fully equipped. They've got SCBA, fire equipment, extrication tools, the whole 9 yards. So we have the ability right now to put an engine in a brush truck at whatever temporary facility could be figured out. So the challenge would be the where, and that challenge exists because the current location apparently wouldn't be allowed to be utilized. So, and to get into the ISO question, so we have 11 different ISO publications across ESD1. So because we've got so many different water supply systems and then areas of no water supply and different communities, right? So like Aledo is a 2, Springtown and Lahana are a 3. We were able to get to a 4 on hauled water in the Springtown-Lahana 199 corridor. And the rule at the time in 2014 or 15 when we did that is if you're a 3-4, they just give you the 3 across the board. So it's a 3-10. So anywhere around the Springtown station or the Lahana station, anything within 5 road miles of that is a 3, regardless of if you are in a 1,000-foot proximity to a fire hydrant. If you're over 5 road miles, you're a 10. So the challenge there would be to put something in place quickly to be able to extend that ISO rating out on the temporary basis while permanent facilities could be secured. What ISO requires for that is a building with a heater, a Class A pumper, and radio communications. So that's not entirely difficult to do, right? It doesn't have to be, on a temporary basis, it doesn't have to be a big, nice, fancy fire station. It can literally be, a 20 by 40 metal building, or even, they're like a quanset hut type, much more portable, quick to erect type thing that can count for that on an interim basis, right? So I think that could be done in very short order. We would just have to figure out the where.